Imagine a world with silent cars, clean, fresh air, and just a big memory of fossil fuel. I'm arguing, I'm arguing despite its environmental allure, electric cars come with significant drawbacks. First, let's address the production of batteries. The dirty secret of electric vehicles is that making their batteries require mining massive amounts of lithium, cobalt, and nickel. Reported by Emily Atkins by the New Republic. The mining causes habitat destruction. The manufacturing process itself is energy intensive. A study by the Union of Concerned Scientists found that manufacturing electric cars can create more emissions than manufacturing a gasoline car, offsetting some of the benefits gained during the car's life. Going from production to performance is a significant problem with electric cars is their limited range and the inconvenience of charging. For many, it's the fear of running out of power, or as some people call it, range anxiety. So I have a quick example. When I had a rental car a couple years ago, it was cool. The car was smooth, but I was running out of power, and I was nervous because I couldn't go to the Tesla changing stations. And this is when they really didn't have other changing stations. So when I found one, it said it was going to take 12 hours to fully charge. And so I stayed there about 2 hours, and I only got 30 miles. And then I found a closer charging station by my house, and it charged a lot faster. It was only $1, so it was really like a pro and con. If you find a good charging station, then you get lucky. But I did have a lot of anxiety. I didn't want to drive around too much. So yeah, that's very inconvenient, and I would rather just go to the gas station. E&E News, David Ferris points out the charging infrastructure is inadequate, especially in rural areas and apartment complexes. This limitation makes long road trips challenging and can significantly impact of owning an electric car for many people. Finally, let's talk about cost. Electric cars typically have a higher upfront price than their gasoline counterparts. While government incentives can help, they don't always close the gap. Additionally, there's the issue of battery replacement. According to a report by Consumer Reports, the cost to replace an electric car battery can range from $5,000 to $15,000, which can be a significant financial burden. Moreover, the lifespan of these batteries and their resale value are still uncertain, making the long-term cost-effectiveness of electric cars questionable. I have another quick example. My uncle has a Tesla, and he got into a horrible accident last year. Someone hit him, and he hit other cars. But when it was time to replace, to see what was going to happen with the insurance only covered a certain amount of the car, and he owed $10,000 because he needed a new battery, and they wanted $10,000 for the battery. So what he did was he said, I might as well buy an upgraded Tesla. So he got a new Tesla instead of paying $10,000 for the battery. It's very cost effective. In conclusion, while electric cars offer a vision of a cleaner future, it's crucial to recognize the environmental, practical, and economic challenges they present. Before you rush to buy an electric car, consider these factors carefully. We need to ask ourselves if we are truly making a responsible choice for the environment and our wallets. Let's push for more suitable solutions, cleaner manufacturing processes, and more comprehensive understanding and the true cost of going electric. We can save a lot of money, a lot of inconvenience, and it's just overall better for the world, for us.